Hi guys, so today I will be talking about the Members Mark cut green beans. This just says with sea salt, and sea salt to me is better than regular salt. And it just says the net weight is 14.5 ounces, 411 grams. You guys can see that. And then some nutrition facts, ingredients. It just says green beans, water, and sea salt. About 3.5 servings per container. Only 20 calories, guys. And yeah, this is all the nutrition facts. And then quality you deserve, and it just says they're 100% guarantee right here. And yeah, so just getting started with this product. I gave my spiel like a million times over and over again, but guys, I literally just learned how to cook like 2 years ago. I really honestly didn't start like realizing how easy cooking was because I can just buy them in these cans until my mom started filling up my pantry with stuff like this. So that's when it became easier for me. I honestly believe that just along the lines, like my progress when it came to cooking, I really have learned a lot just within everything in it and everything like that. So just my whole little spiel and take on like my cooking spiel. These cut green beans, guys, when I tell you that I was not a fan of vegetables, it really took a lot for me to start liking vegetables, but Members Mark made it easy for me. And I always say this about this product, but it's such a quality product to me. Everything they make really just tastes good. It doesn't taste like anything artificial or they're trying too hard or anything like that. As you guys just saw, the ingredients in this is just like water, sea salt, and green beans. Like no artificial flavorings, no any of that. This is just like a solid product to me, and honestly it tastes so good. I super would recommend this over and over again. It's literally like one of my favorite brands to purchase from when it comes to canned food. But these green beans are one of my favorite vegetables. Green beans in general, just one of my favorite vegetables. And I didn't realize the importance of eating healthy until I really got a little bit older and realized that like you have to start taking care of yourself and really watch what you put in your body. And that's the one thing that I really had to start doing as I got older, and this just makes it easier for you. So I'm gonna literally tell you guys how I eat these, and hopefully you guys don't think I'm weird or anything, but as you guys can see, they come in a can. It comes with one of those easy open cans. And guys, I'm just gonna give my whole little another spiel, but I love cans that have these little tabs on them because like literally I hate having to use a can opener. Sometimes this little top part can piece gets stuck in the can all the time. It's just so very frustrating for me. Like it really just makes me mad and annoys me a good amount of the time. And so I just really truly love like using this little pop can part. So the way that I usually eat these green beans, and please just like don't make fun of me, I like eating them out the can, and I know you guys probably would think that's weird, but I don't believe green beans is like a vegetable that you have to heat. Like correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't heat them up. Well, if I have other people over and I'm cooking dinner for a lot of people, I will heat them up because people are going to want cold food. But I love just eating these as a snack. Sometimes I'll just drain the juice out of them and I'll just go in with a fork and indulge in them. These are really good if anybody eats green bean casserole. I love using these with green bean casseroles. It tastes so good, such a good dish. And then on top of that too, something else that I super like love using with this with these cans of green beans is, if anybody's ever done this, but my mom, I grew up on this. My mom would take vegetables that we weren't going to eat and she would just like put a little hot cheese over it. It's so good, and these green beans taste so good with hot cheese, but it kind of ruins the fact of like the health aspect, so I tend to just stray away from that. But I do babysit my niece every now and then. She literally will not eat any vegetables, so I put a little cheese on there. So if you guys have kids and you're trying to find a fun way for them to eat, just put a little hot cheese over it. I put hot cheese on my broccoli sometimes. It's just really good, and I think it really, like, it's a winner. But yeah, so aside from that, I honestly think these are like some of the best green beans that I've ever tasted. And they really have a freshness to them. Like, obviously they're not like where you're gonna get them in a bag and like cook them, but these really it's a crowd favorite for me and my household. We love these green beans. It really taste amazing, and yeah, I really would recommend them. And this is one of my favorite brands, like I've stated before, and this is just Members Mark. And this is with sea salt. And guys, I honestly think that sea salt is better for you than regular salt, but that's just my own opinion. But yeah, these are just the Members Mark cut green beans. The net weight is 14.5 ounces for 11 grams, and yeah.